Good morning, everybody. Happy Monday. I hope you guys had a wonderful weekend. I know I did. I've got some really cool things that I'm going to show you guys from the Children's Museum of Indianapolis in the next couple days, so you'll have some fun things to work on. Just a reminder that today, tomorrow, and Wednesday, you are 100% independent in your work, which you guys already know. We talked about this on Friday. Ms. Cipriani has now sent you an email with a schedule. Mr. Day has sent out multiple notices to your parents. But that means for those students that really struggle to work independently and work at home and self-regulate their own work, you guys are really going to have to be paying attention and working really hard, okay? Making sure that you are absolutely just kind of going through your checklist as you go throughout the day. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to show you what your agenda is going to look like. I haven't posted it yet because if you see, I haven't posted our video. So I'm going to tag this video and then I will make sure I get this posted for you. But here down in the blue, this is your independent work for today. The first thing you need to do is you need to be on Lexia. You need to be completing 4 units on Lexia today. It is imperative that you guys are completing those units. If you met your goal on Lexia last week, I'm automatically going to be emailing all of you and awarding you a free classwork pass for 1 assignment this week. That's going to be your reward if you made your units on Lexia last week of 16 units. So you'll get 1 free classwork pass for any assignment you want to use it on this week, and you get 100% on it automatically. And that's just because we can't spin the wheel together as a class, okay? So that's going to be the reward for any student from last week who didn't earn their 16 units. But for today, everybody needs to be starting with Lexia. You should have 4 units by the end of the day today, okay? So you should not be stopping Lexia until you reach 4 units today. I will be making phone calls home and messages home for any student that does not get their work done for today. That includes Lexia. So if you are not completing your independent Lexia work today, you're getting a phone call home tomorrow to make sure it gets done. Okay? The next 2 items, one of these is a figurative language review. So it's just a quick thing where it says, look at the example sentence. What type of figurative language is this? And then you pick simile, metaphor, idiom, personification, hyperbole, alliteration, onomatopoeia. Most of you guys do really well with that, so I'm not very concerned, okay? The next part is the theme. So there's 6 short stories, and I mean short, like 1 paragraph, okay? And you have to determine the theme of the paragraph. Now remember, theme is a lesson the author wants you to learn from the story. So that could be something like pushing through when times are difficult, using the tools you have around you to survive. Okay, remember how we've talked about theme? We just did a quick refresher on it. We've been talking about it throughout the school year this year. Both of these assignments, though, guys, you have unlimited attempts on. You don't like grade the first time? Do it again. It's okay. I want you guys to keep having these practice, and that's what this week of asynchronous work is mostly going to be about, is practicing the skills that you guys already know, okay? We're not going to give you anything that you can't handle. And then for social studies, you guys have a ReadWorks assignment. So a couple of you are still not logged into our ReadWorks class. Here's the code, GDA-C6M, just in case you need to log into our ReadWorks class. Remember, guys, in ReadWorks, my last name is Schwartz, okay? It's my maiden name, so just keep that in mind. You guys are just going to pick 1 article. So the cool part about an article a day is they have all these different assignments that you guys can, or all these different articles that you guys can read about. And I'm going to show you what they are really quick. WintonWoods.org. I'm going to show you all the different articles that you can kind of pick from. There's 6 of them that you can choose from. So it's all about slavery. So you guys can see, here's the articles, the words read and the words written. But here are the different article sets. There's 6 of them: early slavery in the Americas, the growth of slavery in the North American colonies, the slave trade, plantation life, the Middle Passage, and the start of European involvement in the Africa slave trade. You just have to pick 1 today, okay? Just 1. Do you hear what I'm telling you? Just pick 1, okay? 1 moment, please. Making a video. Sorry, that was my sip. And then you guys are just going to write a reflection on that, just 2 to 3 things that you've learned on the Book of Knowledge, okay? And if in case you forgot that you only have to read one article, it's right here. I'm also going to be emailing all students and letting them know if they have any missing assignments from last week that they can work on this week to bring their grades up, because end of third quarter is this coming week, okay? So I just wanted to make sure you guys know if you don't like your grade, you got to really work hard and get it done. That's it for today, guys. Please feel free to email me if you guys have any questions. Proud of all your hard work so far this year, and I will talk to you guys tomorrow. Bye, guys.